in the ponds. Catch a duck. Give it to JB. There you go. Scoop.
Let's see
Nice.
if you got one that's... Oh, you did! Look!
What'd you get?
You got one that has red on the
Whoa!
Yay! You won, Nathan. What'd you
You
win?
want to pick one of these duckies?
Oh my gosh. You won a duck.
Which one do you want? There's one that's a vampire, there's a witch, there's a Frankenstein, there's a white one, it's a mummy. You want Frankenstein?
Pumpkin duck.
Which duck are you gonna take?
Grandma, that
Such a
up
hard
there, there's
decision.
somewhere down on top.
I think they're all the same. Oh, you're gonna take the mummy duck? Nice.
Good choice, bud.
Can I see it, Nathan? You want to put it in your pumpkin?
Want some big snacks?
Oh, they have fruit snacks too.
What do you say, Nathan?
It's
Here,
for
let's-
you.
it's for
You can
you.
put it in your
Put it
bucket.
in your
Take it
pumpkin.
home. You won it. Thank you.